We've all felt that immediate drop in the stomach when you reach for your wallet and your credit card is missing. The standard reaction is to immediately call customer service and permanently cancel the card. But doing that triggers a frustrating chain of events. You will be waiting days for a physical replacement to arrive in the mail, and you have to manually update every single account where that card was saved for billing. There is a much simpler temporary option. You can place a user-controlled lock directly through the Chase mobile app. To execute this protocol, all you need is your smartphone, the installed app, and your active account login details. Instead of reacting by permanently destroying your current card number, this feature puts immediate security control right back in your hands. This is the primary login screen for the Chase mobile app. Open the application and enter your standard username and password. If you have modern biometric authentication set up, like Face ID, you can bypass manual entry for even faster access during an emergency. Once inside, this is your main accounts dashboard. Scroll down to locate the credit card sector, which lists your active card balances. Before making security changes, check the last 4 digits of the card number to verify you're targeting the exact missing asset. Tap on the selected card to open this individual dashboard. Scroll down to the Account Management section. This area serves as the central hub for altering the structural settings of your card. Tap the Manage Card option. Nesting these powerful security toggles deeper inside a card-specific menu ensures that you won't accidentally lock an account while just browsing your general balances. This screen shows the Manage Card menu. The app uses visual shorthand, specifically the padlock icon, to clearly denote critical security functions. Select the Lock and Unlock Card option. This status screen presents the current state of your card. It confirms the card is currently unlocked and vulnerable to unauthorized use. To initiate the lockdown sequence, press the primary blue Lock Card button. This brings up a confirmation prompt. Engaging this lock will immediately block new, point-of-sale, or online purchases. But read the fine print. Previously established recurring payments, like software subscriptions, will remain authorized. Tap Yes Lock Card to execute the final confirmation. The system is designed to allow recurring payments to continue during a lock, to protect you from accidental delinquency and late fees on essential bills, while you search for your physical card. This verification screen clearly shows that the system has successfully changed the card's security status, indicated by a closed padlock icon. The text at the bottom reiterates exactly what is strictly prohibited. No new purchases, cash advances, or balance transfers will be approved. Now, consider the resolution scenario. If you find your physical card safely at home, the lockdown is no longer necessary. This locked screen shows the exact same interface you use for the reversal process, requiring zero customer service intervention. Tapping the white Unlock Card button results in the instantaneous restoration of all normal card functionalities. Because this instant bidirectional toggle requires no phone calls and carries no fees, it acts as a zero-risk security measure. You are free to lock your card at the first sign of doubt without fear of permanent consequences. It is important to contrast the temporary nature of the app's lock feature with the permanent nature of the Replace Card protocol. You should only escalate from a lock to a replacement when you reach a specific threshold: confirmed theft, visible fraud on your statement, or absolute certainty that the card is permanently lost. Initiating a replacement causes the immediate death of your old card number. The bank will issue a completely new account sequence. By utilizing the lock feature first, you stop being a passive victim of a lost wallet and become the immediate line of defense for your own financial security.